Do I have to pay Rocket Money? Intro. Question hook. Have you ever wondered if using Rocket Money comes with a hidden cost? Let's dive in and find out. Building context. Rocket Money's purpose. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is a personal finance app designed to help you manage your finances more efficiently. It offers features like bill negotiation, budgeting, and investment tracking. But the question remains, is there a price to pay for these services? Addressing the main question. Free basic plan. The good news is that Rocket Money offers a free basic plan. This plan gives you access to many core features, including bill tracking, budgeting, and investment insights. So, if you're looking to get started with personal finance management without spending a dime, Rocket Money is a great option. Premium features. However, if you want to unlock additional features and benefits, Rocket Money offers a premium subscription. These premium features can include things like identity theft protection, credit score monitoring, and personalized financial advice. While the premium plan comes with a cost, it's important to weigh the benefits against the price to see if it's worth it for your individual needs. Cost breakdown. Let's break down the costs involved. Free plan, no upfront costs or recurring fees. Premium plan, the exact cost will depend on the specific features you choose and any promotions or discounts that may be available. However, you can typically expect to pay a monthly or annual subscription fee. Hidden costs. It's important to note that there are no hidden costs associated with using Rocket Money. The pricing is transparent, and there are no surprise fees or charges. You'll know exactly what you're paying for from the start. Factors to consider. Your financial goals. Whether or not you should pay for Rocket Money depends on your individual financial goals and priorities. If you're just starting out with personal finance and looking for a basic tool to help you track your spending, the free plan may be sufficient. However, if you're looking for more advanced features and personalized advice, the premium plan might be worth the investment. Value proposition. Consider the value that Rocket Money can provide. Can it help you save money on your bills, improve your credit score, or reach your financial goals faster? If the answer is yes, then the cost may be justified. Alternatives. Before making a decision, it's also a good idea to explore other personal finance apps and tools. Compare their features, pricing, and user reviews to find the best option for you. Conclusion. Recap. In conclusion, Rocket Money offers a free basic plan that provides many essential features. If you need more advanced functionality, you can upgrade to a premium subscription. The cost of the premium plan will depend on the specific features you choose. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to pay for Rocket Money comes down to your individual needs and financial goals. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Rocket Money or exploring other personal finance options, be sure to check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful financial tips and advice. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.